Hi everyone and welcome to We Love Art. My name is Denise and today we're gonna recreate the Great Wave, originally created by Hokusai. So we're gonna start with the sky today, and I always start with the background. Load this big brush with quite a lot of white, add in a little bit of brown, While doing so, I always paint the top and the sides of the canvas as well, just so it's nice from every single angle. And this is important because once the painting is finished, you will want to hang it up on the wall. So it's important that every angle looks good. The sky is now created and you are officially warmed up. So now we can go towards the wave. For the wave, we're going to start first with the insides of the wave. And I'm going to start with the darker color, so a dark blue color. For this, we're going to mix blue and black. You could add a tiny bit of white just to make the paint more opaque. So that means that the paint is strong enough to cover the canvas. Otherwise, there is an option that you might need to paint either really thick or that you need to apply a second layer of the dark blue. So the white might help you to just create one easy layer. I am going to start on the left side of my canvas with the first big wave, and I'm going to apply the paint with a big brush. With my big brush I'm following the curve of the wave, just like this. So you follow the curve of the wave. And then you have two options, because we have these sketched outlines. Either you go very closely towards the sketched outline, but still leave a gap so you know where to place the light blue later on. Or you cover the sketched outline and later just randomly place the light blue on top of this. So whatever you feel comfortable with, you will do that. Then you come here towards the outline of the wave. I keep hold of my big brush because if you can see, with my big brush I can just easily press the paint in the canvas. And it will create a beautiful, nice line. So you don't need to even switch to a small brush for this. The big brush can do the exact same job. Well done on your beautiful masterpiece, your very own take on Hokusai's Great Wave. I hope you enjoyed this video and that your painting deserves a beautiful spot on your wall for everyone to forever admire. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe below. Thank you so much for watching and I look forward to see you very soon again. Bye!